Imagine pressing your gas pedal and feeling like the transmission just does not want to cooperate, or seeing that dreaded check engine light pop up when you were just trying to get to work. If you have scanned your vehicle and pulled up the code P0657, stick around because this might be the answer to why your car feels sluggish or is shifting weirdly. This code stands for Actuator Supply Voltage a Circuit Open, and while that sounds like a mouthful of technical jargon, it basically means the brain of your car. The engine control module, or ECM, is having trouble talking to one of its actuators. Think of the ECM as the conductor of an orchestra, making sure every sensor, valve, and solenoid plays its part perfectly to get you the best fuel economy and performance. When this code triggers, the conductor has noticed that the voltage in the actuator supply circuit is not matching what it expects. It is like trying to turn on a light switch, but the wire behind the wall is cut or loose. Depending on whether you drive a Dodge, Ford, Toyota, or even a European model, this could manifest as transmission drivability issues or even an evaporation system fault. The symptoms can range from poor shifting and a lack of torque to the engine getting stuck in a gear or having limited power output, which we often call limp mode. It is not something you want to ignore because driving with transmission issues is a gamble that can leave you stranded. So, how do we fix this without tearing the whole car apart? First, do not panic. Grab your scanner, clear the code, and drive the car to see if it comes back. If it does, we need to get under the hood or under the car. You need to find the specific circuit designated as a for your make and model, so checking your service manual is a must here. We are looking for the obvious stuff first, like open or chafed wires, maybe road debris hit a harness, or perhaps water got into a connector. Inspect the pins inside the connectors for any damage or corrosion. If you find a damaged wire, do not just tape it up. Solder it and use shrink wrap to seal it from the elements. If the wiring looks good, you might need to test the actuator itself with a multimeter to see if it is meeting the resistance values listed in your manual. Also, take a close look at the ECM or transmission control module itself. If you see any green powder or signs of water damage on the casing, that is a huge red flag that the module itself might be compromised. This is a moderate severity issue, so tackle it sooner rather than later to save your transmission.